This tiny camper van hides a full-size shower, a mind-blowing dining setup, and an innovative sleeping space for two, all within an 18-foot body. This is the Duo 540 from Clever Vans. Let's take a look.
Motorhome luxury.
Starting with the front design of the camper van, it looks as clean as possible. A big windshield, powerful headlights, and a big center grille, the front is designed for practicality and driving convenience. You can also see a small glass window popping up from the roof of the camper. That's the sky roof in the dining space. At first glance, the Duo 540 looks so small that you would wonder if you could even fit inside. Measuring just about 17 feet 7 inches in length, even smaller than a Rolls-Royce Phantom drophead. But don't get fooled by this compact size. This tiny beast hides a full-size shower inside. But that's not the only thing this van is hiding. Under the front hood, you will find a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed manual transmission that can generate up to 140 horsepower. But if even this is not fulfilling your requirements, you can even opt for a model that comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission and can generate 180 horsepower. The Duo 540 comes in 2 chassis options, either Fiat Ducato or Citroën Jumper. By the way, which one do you like more? And why? Drop your answers in the comments. Heading to the passenger's side, here's the door to the cab area. For more convenience and safety, the Duo 540 comes with electrically powered side mirrors. Up next lies the main entrance, a sliding door with a built-in glass window, a fly-screen door, and lots of space for convenient entry of passengers. There's also this smart electrical step that comes out to assist you while entering or exiting the camper. It's a small feature but can be very helpful. As far as we've researched, the camper doesn't come with an awning in the standard package. The rear panel of the camper van is probably the most exciting thing to see on the exterior of the Duo 540. The panel seems clean and minimal. You have a double door setup, a reverse camera, and the necessary taillights. But that sounds rather boring, doesn't it? Well, here's the twist. As soon as you open these doors, something magical happens. This is a bed underneath storage, and it's just massive. Sitting beneath a bed frame, this storage option gives you so much space that you can practically store anything. Whether you want to carry a big barbecue with you or put all your luggage in the back without disturbing the interior aesthetics of the camper, this big space will swallow it all. Unless you are giant, you can even sit on the floor without your head touching the frame. That's how spacious it is. The minor detailing is exceptional too. There is a small pass-through space here that lets you access the rear storage while sitting in the lounge. No more getting out of the van and picking it up. Bear in mind that you're looking at a tiny little camper van that's smaller than 20 feet. Yet, the amount of storage and living space the vehicle offers overshadows many bigger and more expensive names. Speaking of exceptional, the Duo 540 comes with features that give you much more off-grid freedom than you'd expect from a van like this. You have 13 gallons of fresh water tank capacity, 23.7 gallons of gray water tank capacity, a 95 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery setup, and optional solar installation flexibility. But if this still looks like less power, you can even add another 95 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery as an option. Combined together, these can keep you off-grid for more than a day, making it a perfect option for day campers or weekend warriors. Turning to the driver's side, this is where Clever Van's philosophy really shines. The driver's side looks as clean as possible. At the back, you have the shore power connection that lets you charge your in-house batteries by plugging your van directly to a power source. Then there's the Truma heating and boiling system, which we'll talk more about as we head inside. Around the same area, you can also see the inlet for the fresh water tank here. Moving forward, you also have the removable toilet cassette that makes waste dumping so easy. Now here's something interesting. Usually, the bathroom doesn't come with a window in the standard package. However, by paying a few $100s extra, you can get a bathroom window as well. The exterior of the Clever Duo 540 doesn't highlight crazy storage compartments or slide-out features. Instead, it presents a very solid and practical solution to weekend campers who don't want to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a camper van. And remember, we still haven't told you the price yet. It is going to blow your mind. But that doesn't mean the camper van doesn't have anything special. As you step inside, everything changes. It's important to highlight once again just how small this camper van is. But you won't notice it at all once you are inside. So, let's hop in. Stepping inside the camper van, The first thing you see is the kitchen setup that offers full-time cooking. Not just breakfasts or some quick-to-cook snack. Full-time cooking as you would do in your house. On the side of the kitchen countertop lies a small refrigerator with a separate freezer compartment. The best part? You can access this from inside or outside, whatever you like. There's even a countertop extension right above the fridge. Whether it is about chopping veggies or just prepping your food items, this gives you extra space, making everything so much more convenient and comfortable. The kitchen includes a 2-burner gas stove, a deep sink with a faucet, and multiple storage cabinets where you can put your cutlery, plates, and food items. Speaking of storage, you can see almost dozens of storage compartments installed on the sidewalls everywhere in the camper. These are deep push-to-open compartments that hold everything tight and safe while you explore different sorts of paths and lanes. In the lower compartment, you can also see the gas cylinder that allows you to cook full-time in this kitchen setup. However, you can't see any microwave or oven in this kitchen setup, which feels a bit off. If you're planning lots of oven-prepared food, you may need to get an additional one. Just opposite this kitchen lies the reveal we had been holding off so far, a full-size bathroom. At first glance, this looks like a typical wet bath setup where everything is a mess. Imagine yourself struggling with every single movement while you freshen up or take a shower. That's a nightmare. The clever Vans Duo 540 solves this brilliantly. The wet bath setup is still there, a toilet, a sink with a mirror, a shower head, and some space for toiletries. But here's what's new. Every corner of the bathroom feels a bit more spacious, especially for a camper van this small. On the floor of the bathroom, there's a wooden plate that comes as an optional package and keeps everything neat and clear. More importantly, this full-size bathroom even allows you to take a shower while fully standing, not stuck to a corner where nothing moves. But is that the only good thing this camper van has? Definitely not. Remember the Truma heating system we mentioned outside? Let's talk about that. The clever Duo 540 comes with this 2-in-1 diesel heating system that not just boils water but also warms the temperature of the camper. The best thing about this Truma heating system is that it runs on the camper's diesel fuel. There's no need to carry a separate cylinder just for this. At the same time, your vehicle doesn't need an extra heater anymore. It's minimal, smart, and innovative. Just beside the bathroom, there's a wardrobe to store your clothes, and it's massive. You can practically keep your month's clothes inside this with still more space left. The wardrobe has multiple compartments that make organizing clothes much easier. You can either keep your clothes in separate compartments or just hang them by removing the brackets. That's another good thing. But we won't stop here. Just as you look at the back, there's something that you'd have never expected. This is a full-size dining setup. Not using the driver's and passenger's chairs as dining seats. It has its own. The dinette includes 2 comfortable chairs installed on both sides of a sturdy table, making a perfect setup for 2 people. It's quick, easy, and comfortable. Not just that, beneath this chair beside the kitchen, there's enough space that you can stuff your luggage quite comfortably. Big windows on both sides don't just enhance the aesthetics of the camper. They bring in lots of natural light, making the whole space lively and fresh. When you sit to have breakfast in the morning, it won't feel like you're sitting in a jail cell. It feels like home. But where's the bed? The answer is right here. Remember the bed frame we talked about earlier? That exact frame comes forward, right above the dinette, and becomes a comfortable double bed that can easily sleep 2 people. And you know the best part? You don't even need to fold or unfold the dinette in any way. It stays as it is. The bed frame just comes over. For people looking for fun, flexibility, and adventure, that's exactly the answer. It sets up within minutes, goes back equally quickly, and is as strong as a fixed bed. Beneath the bed as well, you have lots of space for storing different sorts of items. That pass-through space we saw earlier, that works as a smart and convenient storage manager. Things you don't like inside your camper section? Push it to the back, just like that. Now, if you're looking for a bit of luxury and a rich life feeling, there's a big sky roof right above your bed that gives you a direct view to beautiful stars during the night. Ain't that perfect? As you head to the front, you can see a strategically designed cab area that's meant for driving and comfort. In there, you will find 2 very soft and comfortable seats with height adjustment and other features built in. That's just the start. You will find cup holders, privacy blinds, USB charging ports, and superb sound systems throughout the space. Everything has been taken care of strategically. The camper van has some really good features too that make driving and living in here very comfortable. Air conditioning, cruise control, electric power steering, electric windows, ABS, lane assist, and so much more. It's built for long road trips, not just city roaming. Now, let's talk about the thing that you've been waiting for, the price. The Clever Vans Duo 540 starts at a price range of $54,000. That's already cheaper than many vans out there offering the same thing. But it gets even better. The company usually offers discounts almost all the time. Considering all these things, you can get this camper van for even less than $50,000. Dinette for 2, full-time cooking, sleeps 2, off-grid camping for days, and a full-size bathroom, all under $50,000. Now, that's a steal of a deal. So, what do you like the most about this Clever Vans Duo 540? Let us know in the comments. Want to see a slightly bigger camper van that's still incredibly clever, sleeps the whole family, and measures under 20 feet? Click the video on screen, and we'll see you soon at another luxury motorhome.